Hello guys, there's the time and date, and this is going to be a quick view of my homemade TV antenna. This is on my rooftop right here, and we made this antenna online from, I believe it was called freeTVantenna.com, based on the DB4 design. Now this design could cost you around $50 if you bought it online, but you can make it at your own house with spare wire and wood too, for only about $10. Let's get a closer look at this. We have 4 V's on each side for a total of 8 V's. They're 7 inches long and a 3-inch gap at the end, made out of copper wire. I believe it was 20 or 22 gauge. Had this old spare chicken wire we used as a reflector. Up at the top we have an extra reflector just to see if it performs better with some oil at the back. And in the middle we have a wire here. They say to use insulated, but you can use exposed wire. Just make sure you insulate these connections. You have to connect it like this to increase the signal strength. It's like an X. It starts on the left and then it goes to the other side, the right side, for 2 of the other elements. Right here we attached this balun, or a 300 ohm to 75 ohm converter. Converts the coaxial cable to open leads. They're meant for older antennas. You can pick it up for only a few dollars. We had this old one here. I think we got it at Lowe's for like $6. They sell at most 99-cent stores, but everyone says they don't carry them at Dollar Tree, so your local 99-cent store should have that. And the chicken wire is a little flimsy, but we use this board right here. The plans will tell you the exact dimensions. These are spaced, I think, 5 1/4 inches apart. And this board, minimum, it needs to be 22 to 24 inches long. We use the whole board, which is a little over 5 feet. And right here we have this basket that has a weight in the back. We're going to put it on top of this AC heating unit. Okay, we're inside. Here's the signal strength on the Sony television. There's channel 7.1. And it's at 20%. Usually on a Toshiba television this would be no signal, but I guess they do it differently. But there's the decibel, which is what really matters. It's getting 17. That's not the strongest. 7.2. All the sub-channels will basically be the same. 22 seems no matter where it goes, it's always 100% here. Now here are the analogs. Channel 30 is pointing directly at the analog transmitter, and it's crystal clear for analog. See?
This is what it says.
Oops, exit. See, it is crystal clear for analog. No ghosting or anything like that. That's a perfect picture right there. Let's go back into the signal analysis. Some product support in case you did not know.
It does narrow it down for us. Let me read you.
Channel 42, which is near the airport, it's a remote translator of KOB television from Albuquerque, and it is getting really good signal strength right here. No ghosting. Usually it's really fuzzy, but since it's pointed almost directly at it, you get very clear picture. Just a little bit of static and a tiny bit of ghosting, as you can see right there in the NBC logo. So let's rotate the antenna and we'll see what we get.